In today's video, we're going to cover a question that we got from a viewer who asks, Mo, how do I have more higher quality friends? Well, to answer this, I want to ask you the first thing, which is, what do you define as high quality? Because your high quality could be my low quality, and my high quality could be your low quality. So everybody has a different set mark and a different standard for what they consider to be high quality. Now, the way I view things in terms of having higher quality relationships is, one, being able to be present in my relationships, being able to have full focus and presence on the person or people that I'm with. The second thing is, around them, I'm able to let go, let myself freely express myself, and I don't hold anything back. And last but not least, they make me laugh and they make me enjoy myself and forget about time. Really, you lose your sense of time when you're around them. That's what I consider to be high quality. Now, in order to have these higher quality relationships, well, you need to be a higher quality man yourself, meaning that you need to be interested in higher quality things. If you want, for example, friends who are into entrepreneurship, friends who are into fitness, friends who are into growing and improving themselves, and they don't talk about negative things or gossip or pop culture or anything that consumes most people in today's day and age, well, guess what? You're going to have to become that person yourself, because like attracts like. If you are someone who is into entrepreneurship, if you are someone who is into growing and improving yourself, reading, meditating, working out, fitness, going on nature walks, doing things that are helping you become a better man, then guess what? Naturally, you're going to attract those people into your life. Now, you also do have to put effort into going out there and meeting those people. So for example, early on in my journey, when I wanted to meet more entrepreneurs and have more entrepreneur-like minded friends, or I wanted to meet positive, amazing women, well, guess what? I went to different seminars, different conventions, different conferences that I knew that I would be able to meet like-minded people in. For example, if you want to meet women who are into yoga, or you want to meet guys who are into entrepreneurship, or you want to meet people who are into self-development, well, guess what? Maybe going to a Tony Robbins seminar and investing in yourself and investing the money into yourself will allow you to meet people who have similar like-minded mentalities. Guess what? If you go to the yoga convention, if you go to CrossFit, if you go to the fashion show, and people who are anywhere where there's people who are moving forward in their life, you will be able to have an easier time to meet them and understand that you're not going to always connect with everyone, no matter how high quality they seem on paper. Okay, you might talk to someone and you guys have completely different personality types, and no matter what you do, even though both of you are high quality, you won't be able to have a long-lasting friendship from that. However, it's going to give you the highest chances to be able to have those high quality relationships when you do put yourselves in position to be able to make that happen, such as going to conventions, seminars, conferences, meetups, anywhere where there's people who are interested in the things that you're interested in, and or have the qualities that you want your friends to have in your relationships. So go out there, do that. Find places where you can meet people who are high quality to your standards, and go out there and actually put initiative to meeting them first. And I can guarantee you, you will have completely different circles in your life. Hopefully this was helpful. If this video helped you, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. And if you have any other questions, just in the comment section below, post your question and I'll be happy to answer it. Talk soon.